So here is how you can copy text from an image on the iPad. Let's get started. So at first, locate the image. Most likely it's going to be part of your gallery. So just go to your gallery like that and locate a picture where there is some text available. Then look for the little text icon below in the bottom corner. And when you click this, it will let you basically select the available text. So it is going to try to recognize all of the text, which is going to be right there. It's pretty good at this. And you can just select it like that. You can even click on a select all and then just copy that and paste it wherever else you need. If you, for whatever reason, didn't find the button, which I'm showing you, it is possible that you have this feature turned off. So let me quickly show you how you can enable it. It is part of your settings app. So just go to your settings and you will need to find the general section. Then part of the general section, just go to the language and region section right there. And at the bottom, you have a little toggle called live text. So as you can see, this allows me to select text in images to copy or take action. So it's very important that you have this option enabled. Otherwise, it will not let you select any text inside of the screenshots or photos interface. So let me know below in the comments if it worked for you. Most definitely subscribe for tutorials like this one, and I'll catch you in the future videos.